This E-Link camera is actually sent to me to try out, and I use a lot of cameras, so I'm super excited for this one. So a few things that come into the box. So of course you get the cord, you get the adapter. It does come with a stand, and the stand can actually sort of bend and rotate. Under the stand, you're going to see they have two holes, and that's because it actually comes with like wall mounts and screws, so that if you wanted to screw this onto the wall, you definitely could. It also comes with a sticker, and of course a handy dandy manual. So a few features about this camera. While you can go ahead and mount this on a wall or just leave it on a counter spot, it has HD resolution together with nighttime vision. So it does have an infrared, as you can see in this image right here. It does have an infrared. That's what it looks like at night. And then of course when the lights are on, it's HD quality, which is actually pretty good. Now on the back here, it does have some speakers because you have an option for two-way audio, and once you connect it to the app, you can go ahead and kind of set it up where you get alerts going. Now at the side right here, it does come with a slot for an SD card, so that you don't need a subscription. You can actually just plug that SD card in and you get unlimited recording on live alerts. One thing that I do want to call out about this is not color nighttime mode. It is an infrared, but it will pick up for about like 25 feet in front of this camera, which honestly, that's a pretty good distance depending on where you have it. Such an easy camera to set up. It took probably 1 minute to set up. You do need an account connected to the Wi-Fi, and you just select the correct model, and it was connected. So this, I think the quality of this, especially if you're just looking for a camera for inside stuff, this will be a good option.